Alright, so our next power supply feels like a good cord. Got the ferrite bead. Reduce common mode noise. We don't have a gauge on the wire, but feels pretty good. We've got FCC. Real what's inside. Let's take a quick look around. We got our typical two capacitors here. This will be the filtering for the switch mode power supply. There's most like a bridge rectifier under this. They've glued it in fairly well with silicone. I'm inclined not to try to break that loose. I would like to use this power supply. Rather than a common mode choke, we just have one inductor. Resistor for a fuse. That's fairly healthy diode here. This is like a 30 amp diode according to the spec sheets I found for it. Our typical 1000 microfarad at 10 volt cap. Our appropriately credentialed coupling capacitor here. So yeah, everything looks pretty good. One thing of note is look at that slot. It extends underneath this capacitor. Looks like it extends under the transformer. In fact, there's some slots here as well. So yeah, they definitely are interested in that creepage between the two. They wanted to make sure there's lots of isolation. So, alright, let's take a look and see how this performs. The wire for the cable seems to be the typical light gauge. Zoom back out. Plug into our power strip, no pop. That's great. Okay. Alright. Alright, 5.35 without load. Five and a quarter at an amp. Two and a half amps, 5.11. That's pretty good. Now I'm clearly over what the power supply is rated for. There we go. Alright, 5 point. It looks pretty capable of pumping out some juice. And this is 5 and a quarter volts at 2.4 milliamps. 2.4 amps. Definitely does the job. So this will work quite well. And this is the Indland MD522 40W 1111. We can focus. Right.